each person, Dr. Josh Cotton, George Randle, had an expertise that I don't have. And so when you need something done and you don't know anything about that subject area, go find people that are renowned. And so that was the joy of it. And believe it or not, again, I'm a big nerd. We would have conversations, and we continue to have conversations at dinner about talent acquisition and the data behind it. Talent management as well, leadership development, employee disengagement. It's our passion, man. Well, first off, selecting high performers is an art. There is a science to it, but it is very much an art, much like war. You can study the science of war, but ultimately you have to hone the art of war. And then it goes beyond that with leadership development. Once you get high-performing people in, it doesn't stop. That's actually when the true work begins, with developing your people into amazing leaders. So, no, man, it was a great process. I enjoyed it with them. Those are lifelong friends, and I have no doubt this is just the first project of many to come.